Hello everyone, how to use templates in Outlook. So let's start. So here I just open the new email, and in new email, go to the message tab, and here the last option, view templates. In my templates group, click on the view templates, and here you can see the right hand side, the my templates is open. There are some default templates also available. When I click on this default template, you can see here your emails is added, your template is added. Okay, I again click on the second one, and here you can see the second one also here added. Okay, I just remove this, and here I'm going to add the new template. Just click on the add template, and I just open my notepad, and here I already added the follow template. I just copy this and paste here, and I add here the title follow. Okay, then click on the save. After that, I just close this email. Again, I open the new email and go to the message tab in view templates, and here you see your template. Just click on it, and here you see your templates is added. Now you can just edit your templates, and you can send the email. This is a way you can add here. You can easily different template also to quickly reply to anyone. Okay, you can edit this template also. Just click on this edit option to edit here the message, and again save it. And if you want to delete, just click on the delete template. That's it. This is a way you can use the template in Outlook. Hope you understood. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you.